sitting in a 2007 Jeep Compass. We're going to be adding a non-remote key, so we'll be pulling the pin and programming the key. I'm going to show you how quick this can be. Turn your key to on, and you can see that the security light is flashing on the top right. You can see it there. So let's pull the pin and program the key. Compass, pin extraction, 07, key in 2. $36.35, we'll back out. And that's it. Once you get the hang of it, it's just that quick. Get the key out, put it in the ignition, look at the security light on the top right, and it is out.